it is Thursday, and I got a call. Special stuff's come in. Really expensive special stuff. So anyways, I got the pallet here. Let me get hooked up to this pallet and get this inside. Might be a little bit too wide on my forks. Alright, I got the first package in there, and now this is the second one. And as you can see, what's that say? Yep, it's an alignment machine. So yeah, Hunter is probably the most expensive one on the market, but we're gonna be doing a lot of suspension stuff, and so I just had to go and bite the bullet on the Hunter stuff. The rep was awesome. It's awesome that they come out and do all of your installation, all of your tutorial, and do all of your training and all that stuff. So with that, like, you know, it's worth it, because if I get employees and stuff like that later down the road, they'll be able to train them. So yeah, pretty excited about it. Let me get this unloaded and I'll show you all everything else. I reckon I need to do a little update on the inside. So we got drywall up, sheetrock or whatever you call it. Oops. I kicked the light. Alright, so done for the day. Doors look pretty good. Had a little issue on a couple dents on those too, but we'll get that taken care of tomorrow. I think the plumber's coming in to finish up the insides with the sink and the toilets and all that stuff, and then we have them tie the actual 2-inch line to the pecs or whatever that stuff is. Anyways, coming right along. Tomorrow it's supposed to rain again, of course. Oh, watch out for that hole right there. Anyways, this looks pretty. Alright, time to fill both these suckers up. This one's got about 2/3 of tank, but always good measure to keep them filled up. While that's going, go ahead and fill up the Denali. Both pumps going at the same time. So $2.79 here. Let me know down in the comments what y'all paying for diesel right now, wherever y'all living at. Pretty good, huh? Colin, what are we doing today?
Putting a lift on.
What are we putting it on?
GMC.
Let's go take a look. Alright, Colin, so what size leveling kit are we putting on?
3-inch.
3-inch. But it's actually a lift though. I don't know if I told you that. It's a 3-inch in the front and 2 inches in the back. But I think I'm just going to do the 3-inch in the front for now, just because I don't have enough time today. But anyways, what brand is it? Okay, so it's a ready lift. So as you can see, the front to rear difference is, I don't know, maybe about 3 inches. I think it's about 3 inches. Actually, you know what? Let's get a tape measure. Or actually, you know what? What I always do is measure. Some people measure from here to here, but what I've heard and what I use is from center of the hub to up here. So it comes out to almost exactly 25 inches. This is 23 and a half. If we put a 3-inch on, it's gonna squat about an inch and a half in back. Go this way. All right, come on back with it. Straight. There you go. Nice. All right. There's the old sucker, old torsion key. And this is the new one. So as you can see, if I put up these angles to each other, that's the difference. I don't know if you can see the angle. let's pop this sucker in. Just like that. Just put the front 3-inch lift on that side and let's see how it goes. Off the ground?
Yeah, a little bit.
Putting some work in on the Duramax. 11 years old. No, I'm sorry. He just had a birthday. 12 years old. Put down in the comments below, happy birthday to Colin. He just turned 12. What was it, 5 days ago?
I think.
Yep, 5 days ago. Maybe potential future employee at Outdoor Trucks. What'd you think?
Yeah.
So while he's doing that, I'm going to just show you a quick glimpse of the other side. Well, obviously this is lifted up a little bit right now, but looking good. And of course, this has a 2-inch on the back like we were talking about. Well, we're going to put that in a little later. Right now, I just want to put the front end in. And maybe tomorrow I'll mount the tires, you know the tires that I put on there. You know, the 37-inch tires, really loud. Well, depends on who's asking, but it's coming along little by little.
Yep.
All right, this time you try to line it up. Yeah, there you go. See if you can line up the bolt pattern with the studs. Do I need to go up? Probably need to go about a couple pumps, don't I?
A little bit.
All right. Pretty close. I'm gonna go up just a hair. Oh, you need to turn the tire? Yeah. Which way?
That way.
This way? Like that? Oh, you want me to go up one? I need to go up one more. All right, there we go. Ready? All right, push it. There you go. All right, now thread those on there and try not to scratch the wheel and the hubcap, which you already know. You don't have to thread on that much. You just put on a couple spins. You got smaller fingers, so if you're better at this than me. There you go. Nice. Is that the last one? All right, and I'll go ahead and torque them down. Ready? 2, 1. Ooh, that looks good.
Yeah.
Dang. I mean, it squats, which I cannot. We'll put the back lift in maybe next week or something. That turned out pretty good, and that was pretty fairly quick. And then we'll yeah, let's see if we can get them tires on. What do you think?
I think we should.
All right, so here's the final measurement. Let's halfway at the hub. Yeah, you were actually on spot on. All right, 26 3/4, 27 6/4, 3/4, 26.75. Yeah, I think that's about. What was it before?
24.
24, 25. Yeah. Let's look back at the video and see. Actually, before we do that, let's measure the back. That was 26.75.
Or would I put it on this one?
Halfway in the hub, yeah. You can come up a little bit more. Right there, yeah. Right about 25. So it's 1 3/4 higher in the front then, which isn't that bad. But I think it would look better if I did raise it 2 inches in the back, and then it'll be just half an inch down in the front, which means it'll be leveled out if I pull a trailer or something like that. Yeah, but aside from that, I mean, yeah, you can tell it's nose up a little bit, but it's not too bad. For now, this is gonna roll because we're gonna put them 37s on. Good kid. Some AC in this sucker. Nice truck, man. Let's see how this thing drives. How do you think it'll drive? I think it's gonna ride pretty close to factory. It might ride a little bit rougher, but I don't think it'll be enough to where it makes a huge difference. Actually, let's see what Colby thinks. What'd you think? Can you notice the difference?
Yeah, dude, it looks good, bro. What'd you do, 3?
3 inch, yeah.
Yeah, you can tell.
I think I'm gonna put the 2 inch in later, but I just want to get the front done. But it doesn't look too bad.
Looks really good. What size grapplers you putting on it?
37.
37? Let's go.
As always.
Looks really good, bro.
Yeah.
Was it real difficult?
No, it wasn't too bad, really. Yeah.
Shoot, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, your truck looks good with that little fit. You and
Yeah.
Josh's trucks. I mean,
Perfect.
hey, just saying. Guys have been like, "What the crap? Why Colby and Josh get a Nissan?" And I was kind of like the same thing when y'all first got them. But then,
Yeah.
like, after we put the leveling kit on, got the tires on, Josh's truck especially.
Yeah, dude.
And I mean, it looks.
Dude, I had our dump trailer maxed out with sheetrock
This morning,
75 all the way. Never hit stuff.
dude, that's
so
sick.
It's a beast, man.
Yeah. What'd you
Yeah,
fixin' to do?
Looks really good. I'm gonna get a leg workout in.
Legs? Oh, I did legs yesterday. I'm sore right now.
You still feel it? You'll
Yeah.
feel it tomorrow.
I know.
All right, bro.
All right, later.
Yep.
All right, so it's Friday at 5:30. I usually don't work past 5, but today was a special occasion because we had Colin helping us out. So big shout out to Colin. Thanks, bro. He's going to be in some more videos, I think. Do you want to be in more videos? Okay, cool. He's going to be helping us out some more. And we're going to end this video for now because it's probably going to be tomorrow or next week before we put the tires on, just because schedule and time and stuff like that. So it'll be pretty exciting. So I'll have to make a separate video. The next video will be with 37s on this sucker. So, all right, thanks so much for watching, guys. Hey, if y'all want to buy the same lift on your 2020 or 2021 Duramax, link in the description below. If you buy that from there, it helps us out a ton. And hey, if you're military or first responder or something like that, I'll see what maybe what rebates or discount or something I can get you. It might not be much, but at least it's something just to give back to y'all. So thank y'all so much. Peace out, guys.